In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit in Cebuana 24K card using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap and what details to enter so your money lands in the right account smoothly and safely. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your app is updated to the latest version. It also helps to check your GCash balance before you start, so you know you have enough funds for the deposit and any possible transfer fees. Once you're in, look for the transfer option on the home screen and tap it. This is where GCash organizes all the ways you can send money to banks and other accounts. Next, choose Local. Depending on your app version, it may be labeled Local Banks, but the idea is the same. You'll be sending money to a bank account linked to your Cebuana 24K card. In the search bar, type Cebuana Lhuillier Bank and select it from the results. Be sure you pick the correct bank name. If you see a slightly different listing, such as Cebuana Lhuillier Rural Bank, choose the official Cebuana Lhuillier Bank option provided by GCash. Taking a second to confirm you've selected the right bank helps prevent any misdirected transfers. Now you'll enter the transfer details. Start with the amount you want to deposit. Enter it carefully and double-check any decimal points. Then, type the account name exactly as it appears on the Cebuana 24K cardholder's bank account. The name should match the bank's records to avoid delays or rejections. After that, enter the account number linked to the 24K card. Be precise here, confirm each digit, and if you're copying it from a note, verify there are no extra spaces or characters. It's a good habit to review the amount, account name, and account number one more time before proceeding. When everything looks correct, tap Send. GCash may display a brief summary screen. Use it as your final review, then confirm the transfer. You should see a confirmation message and a reference number once it's submitted. Keep that reference number until the deposit reflects on the 24K card account. Most transfers post quickly, but processing times can vary depending on network traffic or bank schedules. If it shows as pending, give it a little time. If it fails, recheck the details you entered and try again, or contact support if needed. That's it. Open GCash, tap Transfer, and Local, search for Cebuana Lhuillier Bank, enter the amount, account name and number, then send. You're all set to fund your Cebuana 24K card with confidence.